Okay, now for, I think, my last unboxing. If you remember, I did a video that had my story bead collection in it. And this is what these look like. Absolutely love these. I ended up doing what I thought was the last order of story beads. And the main bead I was getting was one of these. I love this bead and I thought I needed two of them. So I ordered another one, and by mistake, I think the girl sent me this. So she said, don't worry, next time on your next order, I will just include it with the next order. And I thought, okay, I wasn't really going to do another order. But I really wanted another one of those, so I thought I would do just one more order. And it just came in today. So let's open it up, I think. And we'll see if that came in the mail, what we are hoping for. And this will be the very finish of my story bead collection, I think, because I have these beads and two more of the leathers, just in case my leather wears out. These beads, by the way, were discontinued, I think in 2016. So there's only ones out there are pre-loved, and I was lucky enough to find these in I think British Columbia, but they're brand new stock. They're old brand new stock. So I thought, I'm gonna get what I like, and then that should be it for my collection. And this is interesting. I think I opened this wrong. Yes, possibly I did. Oops. Let me get rid of this weird stuff. And I'll pull out what she sent. Oh, and she sent me an extra one too. And oh yay, there is the one that I wanted so bad. So I'm very, very thrilled with that. And I did order this black one, which is rhodium plate. And it looks like she sent me another one of these little ones. I have one in silver, and I actually have a ring that matches this. So thank you, and I'm so thrilled with that. So this is the last of my troll beads. Not my troll beads. Oh my gosh, last of my troll beads. I don't think so. This is the last of my story bead collection, which I absolutely love this line. By the way, they're very beautiful and rather, I would say, high-end. What way do I want these on? Okay, that will work. And I'll put this one like this. And these ones are kind of, they self-lock. You gotta find the little divot and put your charm in there. And then it will go on. Oops, except I put it on backwards. And that'll be perfect. And I'll end it with that. For some reason, really didn't care for this one. I don't know. Wasn't really one I liked. So I'm gonna shine this one up a little because it will shine up and look like this one. Beautiful, beautiful charm. That is why I needed 2 of them. So I'm so thrilled to have this done. Gorgeous. This is a smoky smoky quartz. They're all real stones. This one's a green amethyst. Really, really beautiful. It's a cat's eye. It's an onyx, a crystal. Beautiful. So that's my completed story bead collection, and I can't wait to wear this summer. This is really, really a nice wrap with a mixture of different bracelets. It blends well. So thanks for coming Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba-Doo. I hope you liked this little bit of a catch-up, and we'll see you later on in the weekend. Bye, guys. Oh, I almost forgot. One of my favorite finds of the week, which is something that completely surprised me. And I love sterling silver, and I absolutely love stacking all my bracelets, and I found this, which blew my mind. Absolutely love this. This is a sterling silver bracelet. It's in the exact shape as troll beads bracelets, except let me show you the difference. In the troll beads cuff is a chunky cuff. It's gorgeous, and it's rather pricey. So to find one that is this, which is pretty much at least twice the diameter, with this beautiful, beautiful amethyst in it. I haven't even tested it because I've never seen an amethyst this gorgeous. The only thing I have tested it, but it comes up like it's a real stone. But it comes up higher than an amethyst would. So I have to figure out what that is. Or it's just a really good amethyst, I guess, or my tester's broken. But I am good. I've been wearing it. So it's beautiful. It glistens like crazy, and it looks absolutely amazing with this. So I'll give you a bit of a look with those layered. Let me just get it on. There we go. Stunning. Absolutely love that. I love the way they look together, and they actually make my angel pendant look tiny, and she's really rather large. She's like over an inch long, I believe. But I love this bangle. Absolutely love it. It was, I think I found it on, I don't know. Anyways, it was $19 and shipping, and thank you so much. If you're watching, I will keep this in my collection forever. I absolutely love it, and I appreciate you for selling it to me. So thank you.